Well, today I am out kayaking with one of my INNOVA solar inflatable kayaks. Fits inside of that backpack, and it's the solar. Let's see if I can get it here. INNOVA. So, I love these kayaks. They're durable, last you forever. I think I've had this thing for almost 15, 20 years. Rock hard. 3 chambers, pillow, foot brace, all separate. So, just thought I'd get out on the water. I'm over here by Burt Lake, and I'm on the sandbar. And as you can see, I'm going to pan it around here, and lots of people hang out here and fishing. So, there we go. Didn't take long to paddle. These things are so light, they just cruise right along. So, brought a beer. Just relaxing the day away. See ya.